Why we have 4 seasons. The Earth's 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, fall, and winter, occur due to the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the Sun. The Earth is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees, which causes different parts of the planet to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Earth's tilt and orbit. 1. The tilt of the Earth means that as it orbits the Sun, either the Northern Hemisphere or the Southern Hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun at different times of the year. 1. When a hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun, it experiences warmer temperatures and longer days, summer, and when it is tilted away, it experiences colder temperatures and shorter days, winter. Summer and winter solstices. 1. The summer solstice occurs when a hemisphere is most directly tilted toward the Sun, resulting in the longest day of the year. 1. This usually occurs around June 21st in the Northern Hemisphere and December 21st in the Southern Hemisphere. 2. The winter solstice happens when a hemisphere is tilted farthest from the Sun, leading to the shortest day of the year, around December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere and June 21st in the Southern Hemisphere. Spring and autumn equinoxes. 1. During the spring, vernal equinox and autumnal equinox, the Earth's tilt is such that both hemispheres receive equal sunlight, resulting in days and nights of equal length. 1. This occurs around March 21st, spring equinox, and September 21st, autumn equinox. Facts about the 4 seasons. 1. Spring. Spring is a time of renewal and growth. Plants begin to bloom, animals come out of hibernation, and many species breed during this season. The word spring comes from the Old English word springen, meaning to leap, symbolizing the leap of life and nature. In Japan, spring is marked by the blooming of cherry blossoms, celebrated during the Hanami festival. 2. Summer. Summer is the warmest season of the year, characterized by long days, short nights, and often, vacations and outdoor activities. Midsummer is celebrated in many cultures around the world, especially in Scandinavian countries, where the sun barely sets during the summer solstice. In the United States, summer holidays like Independence Day, July 4th, are celebrated with outdoor barbecues and fireworks. 3. Autumn, fall. Autumn is a season of harvest, with crops like pumpkins, apples, and grains being gathered. The changing colors of leaves are one of the most iconic features of autumn. The term fall comes from the Old English word fay-allen, meaning to fall, referring to the falling leaves. Thanksgiving in the United States, celebrated in late November, is rooted in the autumn harvest tradition. 4. Winter. Winter is the coldest season, often associated with snow, ice, and shorter days. In many parts of the world, animals hibernate, and plants enter a dormant phase. Winter is a time of many holidays, including Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's celebrations. Some regions experience phenomena like the aurora borealis, northern lights, during winter, especially in areas close to the Arctic Circle. More interesting facts about the 4 seasons. Polar seasons. In polar regions, like the Arctic and Antarctica, there are only 2 distinct seasons: polar day, summer, and polar night, winter. During polar day, the sun does not set for months, and during polar night, it doesn't rise for months. Opposite seasons. The northern and southern hemispheres experience opposite seasons. When it's summer in the Northern Hemisphere, it's winter in the Southern Hemisphere, and vice versa. Monsoon season. In many tropical regions, like India and Southeast Asia, the most significant seasonal change is not temperature but rainfall. The monsoon season brings heavy rains and can be vital for agriculture. Changing length of days. The length of days changes throughout the seasons. In the summer, days are longer, while in winter, they are shorter. The difference is more noticeable the farther you are from the equator. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD. Some people experience seasonal affective disorder, a type of depression that occurs during the winter months when there is less natural sunlight. Meteorological versus astronomical seasons. While seasons are often defined by astronomical events like solstices and equinoxes, meteorologists classify seasons based on calendar months. Winter, December to February; spring, March to May; summer, June-August; and fall, September to November. Climatic variations. Some regions, especially those near the equator, experience little seasonal change in temperature. Instead, their seasons are defined by wet and dry periods, as seen in tropical climates. Seasonal foods. Many traditional foods are associated with certain seasons. For example, in autumn, pumpkin peared apple cider are popular in North America, while in summer, watermelon and grilled foods dominate. Migration. Many animals, such as birds and whales, migrate long distances to find food or breed during certain seasons. For example, monarch butterflies travel thousands of miles to escape winter and find warmer climates. In conclusion, the 4 seasons shape life on Earth in profound ways, from the changing environment to cultural celebrations and human activity.